ngumwanya nga kimwa kwana nkwango ntebi na mwa kwana nkiura nyore muntu yan everything
micromanager
school wakuma inga kiakora wanza kutebya mwali kanga akolete banoti homeschooling no ene kimwali mwa makiri wrong ne ruma etengikiri wrong ekiri right because he's micromanaging the child. The helicopter kind of are very protective. Mwana ta akiransi mwana angali nirate so this overprotective parent is also another bad parenting style.
Okay.
When at the quarter one live I allow for mistakes.
Yes.
One year to correct a mistake at this time you not and I could grow up. Then this is right, this is wrong. So overprotective parents will think for the children and all that do not encourage their children to be independent in thought. I will feel overcrowded. So to let away that sting, one will make good decisions. Kiera tayari possible bokorengere tayari possible wokoraki wogo decide what is good and what is bad. So the child ends up feeling insecure throughout his life. Insecure. Kendi yasi okora wika